say something. What is that? Oh, now I know. He says his friend is coming. Okay. What is this? He's picking something up. Oh my god. Look what we have here. The Dual Attack Pteranodon, the new Pteranodon. I have made a previous video on a Pteranodon where I talked about it, but that was a Primal Attack Soundstrike Pteranodon. And here's a clip from that video. Its fossils were found in North America and England. You can see the Pteranodon has a sharp beak over here. It uses to pulverize fish. This is a Soundstrike Pteranodon, meaning it can make sounds. That's pretty cool, right? Let me show you. The first one is called Chomp. And the second one here is called Wing Flapping Action. Did you hear that? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a Dino Rivals Dual Attack Pteranodon. It doesn't make sounds, but it has a collector card and a different paint. So today we have the new Dual Attack Pteranodon here, as you can see, and he is very pleased with a new friend. So yeah, let's do the unboxing, but first we need to know what Pteranodons are. Anyways, the Pteranodon was a flying reptile, a very large one, but it only weighed 15 to 25 kilograms. It had a wingspan of about 23 to 33 feet, but some scientists say it could only be 23 feet, and there's a lot of debate, controversy and stuff, all the confusing complication. Anyway, how about a couple facts on the Pteranodon's anatomy? The Pteranodon's wings were actually its fourth fingers, and the Pteranodon's small feet were so small they were not able to be used for grasping. That's strange, right? The Pteranodon's name means toothless wing because it did not have any teeth and it had very large wings used for flying. That's pretty obvious. But these toys and in some of the movies, the Pteranodon is depicted with having teeth, unusually. Anyway, as you may have noticed, on the Pteranodon's head, it has this crest thing, as you can see. The crest was used only for display, not for steering. The Pteranodon was actually pretty fast and swift flyer that was very agile. Yeah, so the Pteranodon was a pretty intelligent creature actually, and it was very light because it needed to fly. Imagine being super heavy, like weighing, 100 kilograms. Actually 200 kilograms, make that 200. And you have to fly. That won't work really well. So yeah, the Pteranodon had to be built like this. So now let's get into this Pteranodon right here. This Pteranodon's very excited for his friend. So here you have the Jurassic World logo on the packaging, and then here's a bloody image of the T-Rex, which you can't really see very clearly. Some windows on the action features of this Pteranodon, and then here you have the Dino Rivals logo, a T-Rex and Triceratops facing off. Owen from the Jurassic World movie, and here you have Pteranodon, and here it says Dual Attack, although you can't see it really clearly because it's a Dual Attack Pteranodon. Spinning it around, the Jurassic World logo is there again, and here you have Dual Attack again. Here we have the Pteranodon in action, and here it says Chomp, and in there it says Wing Strike, so it has two actions. And here it has the collector card, which we will get out, Triceratops and the Concavenator over there in the bottom corner. And here, the Pteranodon is attacking a dinosaur that's called a Concavenator. There's the Jurassic World logo here and the Dino Rivals logo here. I'm super excited to take this out, so let's get this out. So excited. So let's cut this string. Now Pteranodon is released. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get this. Fix the wings. So this is the new. This one doesn't make any noise. This one just has the chomping action. So as you can see, the jaw moves like that, and it has the wing striking action, which is really cool. The wings actually flap up, but if you see, this one, it flaps down. So that's pretty, let's do it at the same time. Whoa, it looks cool. So, you can imagine two Pteranodons having a battle. But anyway, this one, they're friends. They both want to go catch fish together after this video, guys, okay? Oh, well, this one has the jaw open, and this one has the jaw closed. So, yeah, that was about the Dual Attack Pteranodon, which is really cool. I love it. As you can see, it has a nice yellow crest here and yellow paint, which is really cool. Here you have the nice orange paint, and here it's completely gray, which is pretty weird, but I still love this figure. And then, as you can see, it has teeth, but Pteranodons didn't actually have teeth. Yeah, this is from Mattel, which is an amazing company that makes dinosaurs that are really cool. Now, I think we should scan this dinosaur in our Jurassic World Facts app. I'm going to scan this Pteranodon. Wow, we got it so fast. I'm surprised. So here, we do have a Pteranodon. I'll get a little closer here. You can see the Pteranodon flapping its wings. Looking really cool. So here you have the information which we will look in on. It says, her long beak is devoid of teeth, which means it doesn't have teeth. Fish are a large part of her diet. Her air speed is in the range of 25 to 30 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. Her beak is a formidable weapon, capable of snatching small prey. In the film, she is aggressive and attacks people visiting the park. Oh my gosh. Don't be scared, guys. And here, you have the new observation mode where you can turn the Pteranodon around and stuff. You get a closer look at the JW Facts App Pteranodon. And time to get the card out. I actually forgot to get the card out, and that's pretty weird. But yeah, I'm just gonna get it out now. Here we have the card of the Dual Attack Pteranodon. It has the same stats on the Jurassic World Facts app as well. So yeah, strength of 5, speed of 7, intelligence of 5, and aggression of 5. Yeah, here's the Dual Attack Pteranodon. So this was the review of the Dual Attack Pteranodon. Hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, Pravek Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye!